Senator Monday Okpebholo, the All Progressive Congress APC gubernatorial candidate, don't vow to restore Edo State, criticized the current administration under Governor Godwin Obaseki for the state condition. Senator Okpebholo yarned this one on a birthday, Thursday, August 29, 2024, for one campaign tour across different local government areas. The campaign team visited Igbanke West and East, Abudu and Evohai for Orhiomwon local government area, and Ekugbo for Uhumwonde local government area. Before the tour of Orhiomwon, the campaign council met with the leadership of the New Building Materials Association for Cook Road, Oredo local government area. During the meeting, Senator Okpebholo promised to support the construction of 9 billion naira shopping complex, where he promised go complete within 2 years. Them also meet with the elders of the Ewise community, where they commissioned one solar-powered borehole for Isiruhen Street, Oredo, where they facilitated by Senator Matthew Urohide.
Came here to give you a message. You have made a request. By the grace of God, you will hear the reply from the candidate. I am very confident. When I was marrying my wife in Imo, in Obonuku, in the house, 1985. Listen. My in-laws told me, let Peter Abachu, my father-in-law. With the Bolingo, all of them sat down. They told me, if there is problem in your place in Benin, come to us in Imo. Nobody will keep you. Yes. Anything you want from the Igbos, tell them. You are my in-law, we will do it for you. And 2 times I've been here, you have all done it for me. I have come again with my friends, with my brother, with my confidant. Those things I could not do as a senator. Because as a lawmaker, my powers and privileges to power were limited. Now this is executive governor of our state, where you operate, where you do your business. I brought him. I will never bring anybody to you that I'm not sure of, because this is my home. The Benin amongst you are my kinsmen. The Igbos amongst you are my in-laws. The Ishans amongst you are his brother. The African amongst you, we are from the same ancestry, from the same home. We have one leader, traditionally. So I have come to beg of you for support.
There's something you need to know about me. The way you are now, some of you were better than me many years ago. I actually served an Igbo man in Jos. If you know Jos, everybody that is into new building materials here will know a man called Okpebholo. So Okpebholo, his man in Jos, Okpebholo has a big shop in overhead bridge at Onitsha. Then his own, like his son to him, Jaguar, is in Jos, and he's the biggest building material trader in Jos. So I worked with him at the time. Up to today, we still remain like father and son. Because when you are with somebody, try to leave a good landmark. I want to let you know that me that you are seeing here, I have an Igbo man's mind, that mind of development. I want to let you know that in an economy that is failing, Edo State economy has failed. So the only way we can revive it is to inject money into it. And how do you inject money into it? Is through traders like you. So the issue you have requested, very simple. Soft loan, interest-free loan. So that I'll be happy, because when I'm out, seeing people on the streets smiling, then the economy is moving. But when the people's face is tight, then the economy is not moving. The way Edo State is now, Edo have never been divided like this. The economy has fallen apart. There's nothing moving at all. If you talk about the roads, no roads, hospital, no hospital, school, we are not talking about school anymore because a school of about where you are supposed to have like 30, 40 teachers, you only have 2 teachers plus a headmaster. So I'm not talking about it. The roof, there is no chair, nothing at all. But the truth is that, are we going to contribute for Edo to completely be grounded? Your vote for PDP is a vote of grounding the state. Because the man that is PDP is parading was still up till now is the chief economic advisor to the governor of the state. So if I am an economic advisor to this man and this man is not taking my advice, that means I'm not worthy to advise him, then I will leave him. So if you are advising somebody and the economy is failing, if that man is taking it and the economy is failing, if I were the governor, I would send you away. But now, these two people are one. They are not interested in what happens to our economy. They are transactional people. So that is why when he is leaving, he wants to bring his business partner to come and work and to come and continue from where he stopped. When Oshiomhole was there, you can see a lot of construction going on. Were moving because the contractor that is handling project is we want to build his house with his profit, so he will come to the market to buy materials. Those people that were building primary school, renovating primary school, they are making money they want to build, so they want to come to the market to buy. So when the economy is not moving, when there is no business here, when every money that comes in the capital flight leaving this state, how do the economy survive? How do we survive in the business cycle? So these are the problems. And about this, there is a very big danger that I want to tell you today, Mr. Chairman. Edo State has been turned into a huge debt. A debt that is in local currency over 567 billion. That is what Edo State is owing. Sir, I want to tell you something. That from about 5 governors that has come to rule Edo State before Obaseki came in, when I mean 5 governors, I'm talking about Okpebholo, I'm talking about Orhiomwon, I'm talking about even Ambrosali, I'm talking about Oshiomhole, and about 6 of them plus Oshiomhole. These people manage the economy to the tune of 43 billion as loan. You can see Oshiomhole worked. The other people worked. If you you can see him do the later. Everybody has a landmark. But this very particular one, the landmark he left for those state people is the debt that he incurred for those people. So this is a big problem, Chairman. Voting for PDP in Edo State is grounding Edo to a ground zero. I want to beg of you. We will reject them. I know they will come and entice you with money because they have stolen enough money and they want to entice people with the money. If they give you money, take that money. And nobody can do you anything. Because when they thief, which one go home? So if they give you money, pocket it. When you get to where you vote for your choice. That is APC is the answer this time around. I want to. There's something that is trending on the social media that Akpakoniza does not talk. Are you aware of that? Do you know? Have you seen that they say I don't know how to talk? But I am the one standing here. This could have proved them wrong to tell you that they are liars, they are deceivers. So for that reason, If somebody who wants to deceive you, all you need to do is to pay him back with the coin he deserves. I want 20 for him. I want to assure you something. Whether you have a developer developing the land that the Oba of Benin gives to you, whether you have a developer developing the land that the Oba has given you for trading, I will do my own. When we enter office, the necessary infrastructure for that place to look beautiful, I will make sure I put it there. Don't forget where you started from. Because you need that ladder to come down again. Because I was part of building materials before, this is the best time for me to build building materials.
Anybody that wants to thank me should go there. Let me tell you, Baba, the money of Edo State does not belong to me, it belongs to Edo people. The only thing I saw on that road that catch my eye was a very big signboard put by the state government saying this is federal road. There with us. Sir, Adam Oshiomhole was using Edo State money to park that road. And when he parked the road, then they refund him. When Adam Oshiomhole was leaving government, there was a debt owed to him by the federal government of about 17 billion naira on that road. And that money was released to Obaseki. Nothing to do with that. Sir, the danger today in Edo State is that Edo is in a heavy debt. A debt of over 567 billion. Baba, before he came in, Okpebholo, Oshiomhole, and other governors that have ruled the state, all the money put together, 43 billion. But within 8 years, 7-8 years now, we are owing, remove that 43 billion out of 573 billion. How much is that? That's 520 billion. So this is the danger. I am talking about the local debt, the one borrowed in Nigeria here, that is being tied down. The collateral is the money, the internal generated revenue of Edo State. That is what they use, and part of the federal allocation to Edo State. So, if we give them another chance, the man they brought out is the chief economic advisor to this governor. So he's the one telling him what to do before he goes to bed. He's the one telling him what to do before he meets people in the morning about our economy. So they are not qualified. That is why they are not able to rule Edo State well. I am begging you people, take the message outside. No, we must not vote for PDP. I am here to rescue our land. I am here to restore the integrity of our Oba back and our traditional back to Edo State.
For Igbanke, Senator Okpebholo promised the residents say he go restore Edo State to the glory days if he win as governor. Senator Oshiomhole will also tanda for the campaign. For in part, talk say election matter not supposed be about sentiment, as he criticized the opposition parties where they spend money to buy votes when he talks say therefore use do better things for the state. He come also urge Senator Okpebholo to finish waiting in don't start.
It is time to let you know that Edo State must be great again. Our hope to the Kingdom Edo back is here. Our hope for our schools, our hope for our hospital, our hope for roads, our road for agriculture, our road for health is back. We are here. We are here. I am here to tell you that from the position he is now. They have destroyed this state. There is no school anymore. There is no hospital. There is no light. There is no water. There is no road. Nothing you can really say, yes, this is what we have under 8 years. What can you tell me that you have gained from Obaseki? What can you tell me that PDP has done for you for the past 8 years? This is the time you will join me to develop Edo State. I'm going to bring a government that will belong to you. I will give the power back to you people because you voted for me and the power does not belong to me, it belongs to you. I've come to beg you. September 21st is the day of Judgment Day for PDP. That is the day we are going to reject them. That is the day we are going to tell them our mumu don't do. Our mumu never do for their hand.
Thank you so much. I didn't think you would recognize me anymore because when I was here, I used to still use Baba. But my spirit for Ibaka remains strong. I want to first appreciate our elder. I'm not sure whether it's Ita or it's Ibini. Retired Justice Olubo. Olubo, I want to know whether you know how to pronounce the name. Do you remember him? He was the president of the Oshiomhole Court of Appeal when I was governor of Edo State. I am proud to say I signed his appointment as Chief Judge of the Oshiomhole Court of Appeal when I was governor. Number two, there is one Peter, Honorable Peter, he kept appointed him as commissioner. He's from this place. I remember one lady called Mrs. Megida. She's a daughter of this place. I appointed her as commissioner. So for me, I may not have been born here, but the blood of Ibaka flows in my veins. Because you are a resourceful people. You are a creative people. You have produced men and women who have served this country. You had a brigadier general who was commander of Brigade of Guards in Abuja. Brigadier General Adewa, do you remember? I'm not the one who made him a brigadier. I'm just saying the womb of your mothers has produced very eminent great men and women who are contributing to the development of the Nigerian nation. So I am in Ibaka by conviction, and I'm proud to be able to say so. So when we built that school, it was one of the most beautiful schools in this area. But today, there are no teachers in that school. The building cannot teach itself. Somebody just told me now that you are contributing money to pay the teachers. Now that for me is the worst crime, that people deceiving people, Papa deceiving Pikin deceiving Papa, otherwise known as PDP. That is the worst crime they can commit. Because what it means is that they don't want your children to rise and become generals in the army. They don't want your children to become commissioners in the Edo State government. They don't want your children to become medical doctors. Because if you do not have teachers in mathematics, in physics, in all those important subjects, the son of a farmer cannot become a president of Nigeria. I will not be here if I was in a school without teacher. Unfortunately, Obaseki has not employed one teacher, but he has borrowed over $250 million in the name of Edo Best. Schools without teacher, he claimed that from his office He can monitor whether teachers are on duty or not. I have never seen a liar like that. But what worries me, not be waiting Obaseki the talk. What worries me is that in Obaseki's election, my own brothers and sisters from Igbake East, they voted for him in 2020. I told them, if your pikin fail primary school, you don't waste money sending the child to secondary school. If a child fails secondary school, no, can I go university because we not do well. I don't talk so. I came here and said, don't vote for him. But at least, Igbake East, they didn't agree with us. They voted for him. Now I ask the question. What has he done in that world, Igbake East? To say thank you. Will you now be fooled again this time? If you do it again, you get for your own. Because if robber broke into your house and you could not drive the robber away, so then God call the robber back by way of death. In this case, political death. You know, go carry the son, the third friend, the twin brother of a thief to come again and enter your house. You go do so? Are there people from Igbake East here? Will you vote for him again? Will you vote for Obaseki again? If the governor of Delta come and deceive you because they vote there for PDP, because what the twin is Delta is not the same thing twin is Edo, will you follow them? We should not hide anything because they will bring money. The money I used to do this road, if I gave you 10,000, 20,000, but then never finish. If I gave each of you 1 bag of rice, after I go to tell them 20 times, the rice will remain. But I'm happy today that the roads are here. If I did poor quality road, the road will sit there here. So we have to be wise. Our mumu don't do. Never again shall we be governed by a wicked soul. Never again shall we be governed by people who use grammar to confuse us. I can see intelligent young men and very beautiful women here and beautiful girls. If I had known that these beautiful girls would be here, for ask my son to come. So that I can marry one of the beautiful girls for my own son. So that I will become the in-law of but I never give up. I will like the boy to become a Muslim so he can marry too. Okay, so it's a great pleasure to be here. Please. Issue of election is no sentiment. I cannot stop them. If they say they want to give you money, I can't stop them. But you must know, is the money they could have used to work for you, they stole. If you are farmers, armed robber come to your farm and take 10 tubers of cassava. Go call police and won't catch him. He throw away 2, 3, you pick and back. Will you now reward him by giving him more cassava, more time to take your cassava? No. So hunger is not disease. We can be poor in our pocket, but may we not be poor in our brain. Yeah. May those who make us poor not come back to benefit from our poverty. Amen. You have heard in Benin how they are hiding federal government rights to rebag it to 30 kilograms to give to people. So we have become beggars, living on government handout, and even that one they are stealing it. You can't go to the farm. Now they buy guns for the people they come to the group. I can see some here. But be careful. Don't use pump action against your own person. Anybody don't do so, the blood of the person will get for your head. Because when I was governor here, people they go to the farm, nobody kidnapped them. What did I do? I brought the SSS. I brought Nigerian police. I brought Nigerian army. We sat together. I created what I call Operation Thunderstorm. And I employed people, including young people from Igbake, in what I call neighborhood watch. I did not give them guns. Because to give somebody a gun and you are not paying him good salary, when he's hungry, what will he do with the gun? So after he make you poor, he make you a destitute, he now want to use you to work for him. I am proud to say when I was governor, our farmers were not afraid to go to farm. Because anytime SSS get information from our neighborhood watch, they know how to process the information. They will bring the military to give them what they call fire cover. They go enter bush and deal with the criminals and waste those they need to waste. That was one War Evans, because some of you have telephone with social media. One notorious kidnapper, when they got him in Lagos, he said Edo State became too hot for him when Oshiomhole was governor. That is why he relocated to Lagos, but he was arrested in Lagos. The guy had to buy guns, pump action, and give to young men to go and be terrorizing people to achieve that. You just need to have a good heart. You need to have fear of God. How much will a man steal and eat? Sometimes it's just about habit. Somebody already filled with alcohol is asking for more bottles. That is their case. So don't let them come here and deceive you at all. So I want to assure you, the only reason I came here today, I went to Abuja yesterday. I did not sleep until 4:30 a.m. I left Abuja this morning by 7 a.m. to get to the airport to fly to Benin to drive down here. I said I must come to Ibake. I want to see whether those roads I did have been washed off. Because the one Obaseki did in Benin, they have been washed off. And I also want to see my people. These are my people. These are my sisters. These are my brothers. These are my children. And I want you to complete what I started. The way you have said so elsewhere, there were 2 roads I didn't do before my tenure lapsed, which Obaseki refused to do in 8 years. I'm sure I have the authority to assure them that you will continue with the road where I stopped. Including the one Honorable Minister, I'm so happy that even the APC Minister has already reflected Ibake in national budget. That is where community grows. And if there are jobs going on here, big men will live in the community. They will not be staying in Benin. So I want to thank you, and I think it is better to allow this man on his birthday to make a promise before you and before God, with us as witness, that he will complete the development agenda of this great land. The last time I visited you Enogi, it will trace you. I saw the Enogi's photograph and my photograph. I asked him, but there is a governor after I left. He said no. As far as Ibake is concerned, there have been no any other governor. Because they have not seen the work of any other governor. Even a handshake with the governor has not seen. So you have a lot to do. And that is why when we are going to change the name to Okpebholo Rescue. Okpebholo Rescue. Everything they fail to do, you will do. You have already mentioned that you are going to employ teachers. You've heard now they are contributing money to pay their own teachers. Because they employ them. Under your government, that will not happen.
Dr. Mary Alile, the APC National Women Leader, Matthew Rohide, Director General of the campaign, Pius Odubu, Edo South Senatorial Leader, Pastor Osaige Ize-Iyamu, and other party leaders took mouth on top the urgent need for better governance for Edo State.
For politics, many people get long mouth, big mouth to say anything. Today, Ibake West, Ibake East, una know everything that is in Ibake land that APC do for now. Everything. So anything you can do to please APC, you should do it. Starting with Comrade Oshiomhole, who was governor for this state. All the things you do for this place, you are not see. Don't be so. I saw when all the lights people get here, the APC, I put up. Don't be so. All of us when they here, the two of them don't do for a back alone. Me when I stand here, that's a condition for Okpebholo. Let me do that. I lost my picture there. At the APC, what did people do for? When the vote us now, when we bring so, we don't need to wait to vote for PDP because they don't have anything to show. All the things in the market land, I hit my chest. Everything here, the APC, I don't for that. Now, we don't bring our candidate for government. Not to vote for that. And what will be better for them like this? Don't tell you now. Don't tell you now. All Baseki and that's why Bodano cannot help you conquer that. They cannot help you. They have not helped you before. They cannot help you. So, by the grace of God, on the 21st of September next month, make una vote for APC. Make una vote for APC. If you vote for APC, you are voting for Senator Okpebholo. You are voting for his deputy, right, Honorable Dennis in the House.
You train a woman. No woman. Woman talk to woman. That time don't come. Oh, now woman matter na catch us so. No be so. We want money when we want to go trade. No be so. The person when go do a paka, he don't arrive. No be so. Everybody point your hand to Senator Okpebholo. Oh, you make one a point because he go give money for market. Now he want to our new road. Everything when we dey wait for, he don't come. As I talk for TV that day, I say we don't tire for Edo. Everything for the past 8 years. School, he not there. Money, he not there. Hospital, he not there. Nothing there. They come to say Edo best. And then they say, wait till be Edo best. When they don't light, no light to charge computer. Which one be Edo best? So, make una vote APC. Make una vote APC. Make una make sure say we win on September 21st. APC.
I want to thank you now. The way una dey receive us, especially our papa, Comrade Oshiomhole. Person wey he do well, we must make am know say he do well. Oshiomhole do well. Oshiomhole do well. Now the person wey dey come, I want make una know how God love the market. The man wey dey come so, wey by the grace of God go do even more than Oshiomhole. Person who wan support Senator Okpebholo. Today na him birthday. Today na him birthday. Ibake. We wan tell am say na our own. We wan sing happy birthday to am. We like to sing am. We like to sing am. We like to sing am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord. I wish you may the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Wonder. May the good Lord bless you. What do you go do for now? As birthday present, all of us for a bucket, we go vote for her. I say we go vote for her. I need to because God bring her come on his birthday, come in bucket. All the roads, all the schools, all the things where they pay una, including giving money to market women and anything they trade, he go do it for una. If you are ready to support Senator Okpebholo, this is around. Who do this road when they are? Who do 12 kilometers of road like that? Who build red roof? Is there here? The man there? Is there here? Is there here? Is there here? Now, I said like father, like son. Nothing and Apakomis are resemble. If you never let me ask him, maybe Mama bought this one for Isha. And I see everybody when they here so. This man a minister, or talking Adu. 2-time senator, or talking Adu. We don't disappoint him before. Make una name one thing when PDP don't do for you. You there? So they say that person when you do well, now they thank. This man, before he contest go Senate, he take him money now from Isha here for come. They secure Isha, they build roads for Isha, they build hospital for Isha. Now if you don't reach government, not be your talking now do. I beg, we just assure you now, we not dey talk too much. Make una vote APC. Then una go see say the remaining roads for Ibanke, e go tire. Una hear so? Odukama! Odukama! Una do well o. As everybody talk as this, all of us, we don't do something for this Ibanke. Una know. The people when they the other side, they don't do anything for here. No much people will go talk. We know them. Una know us. So now we are going to decide for ourselves. But we are telling you people right now that are the person when they do something for person, the person they do something for. Abi? So make una support us. Support APC. Me agree to that well. I don't hear from everybody. Say our papa when we follow come here, he did so many things here. That shows that first when they come, when reservoir, he will do so many things here again. Myself, now maybe the minister for Niger Delta. I remember say from Igbake, some traditional rulers came, they say they don't have a health center. They want their health center to be built for them. That health center is in this budget. When we start procurement, they will start constructing the health center here. I will refer them. From the MDDC, we have so many projects here in Igbake, just that I don't know the names of the various communities. By the time we start procurement this year, with this 2024 MDDC budget, and we ask the representative here to come and announce to you people here what we have for them. Politics, now what you will get from it. Not the people when go come, they talk, they deceive. After 4 years, you will not see them. For APC, they will talk, they will drum, and you will share. The one who our papa did, we not share. And by the grace of God, in the next 3 years, we will see what he will do here. The roads here, the ones where they don't complete. If I know I complete the body, what we can share. This year, we are going to touch some roads here in the battle. Minister, we are going to construct comprehensive health center. So make una vote for Monday. Monday now be our candidate. We are from Edo North. Our gang from Edo North. Everybody in Edo North, Okpebholo, na Monday, each person. Now we follow. Any other person wey go here say make una vote for that. Not be authentic. Like the person wey they go vote for, just abandon una. Because the person wey they run with that, he don't know where they born am. Now only this election time, now he will come to the village. Now that kind of person I want, so make una try to vote Monday to follow as the next governor.
The campaign continued for Abudu, where Pius Odubu, Senator Matthew Rohide, Senator Monday Okpebholo, and other APC leaders re-emphasized their commitment to bring Edo State back to its better days.
Abudu, thank you very much. This place, I thought it was for local government rally. I didn't know this is just Abudu. I want to thank you people because I'm getting your support. And I'm feeling it in my bones. I am feeling it in my head. I am feeling it in my heart. Thank you very much. My job, when I become the governor of Edo State, I must make sure every basic thing that is necessary for you people, you will have it. You will have life. You will have good roads.
Make I tell you now, I say that the candidate, this our candidate, that be the senator now for Esalam. 5 local government areas went there, those central law, they go for them. That be the first person where you win for Senate for APC all the years since 1999. Now because of the thing where you don't do for Esa people, when this say you don't build schools, you don't build roads, you don't build hospitals, you don't even provide water for Esa people. Even the time when problem of kidnapping day, when people know they go farm, people know they go work for Esa land. Now him contribute money for security outfit when they call Atalapa for Esa land. So that person when don't work for people, and now they bring out. So all of us, to when we don't know, our leader here, when the former governor and Oshiomhole, all the things we will get today for this happening that Oshiomhole do. Not so. All the things we don't do. This Abdekula one for Abudu. All the things that APC that don't do. And I want to tell you now, even me, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I come here. That culture center there, I mean, do that there, Senator Rogidi. I mean, do that for that. So we don't work for our people, work for our land. No one will not support Senator Monday Okpebholo. The other side, the PDP, will never do anything for now. Make una look back. Anything they will not do for this place. Why will not go for them? Why? There is no reason why you should vote for us when you know. The Obaseki when they carry and come. Nowhere where you see us say don't do anything for Benin. How many schools he built? How many hospitals he built? How many roads he built? How many people built scholarship? So make una not mind them. Vote for Monday Okpebholo. All of us will be guarantor for una. We start for him back. Once you vote for her on the 21st of September, the vote for APC is the vote. The vote for APC is the vote for Senator Monday Okpebholo. The vote for APC is the vote for Right Honorable Dennis in the House. So, I want to beg all of you in the name of God. We want our people to progress. We want all our people to progress. We want our people to freely go to farm without fear. We want our people to have roads. We want our people to have hospitals. We want our schools to have teachers. And the only person that can do it on the behalf of God is Senator Monday Okpebholo. So we want to thank you now. We don't come out with you. And we believe with your support, APC will win.
Women, oh yeah! Now okay! You train a woman! No woman! You neglect a woman! That time don't come September 21st. Now we want to vote for Senator Monday Okpebholo. APC. Now broom, tell they say na waiting. Now broom. You go there that day, put your hand for broom so that everything when we want, we go see say it go turn around. I can see everything turning around. I see everything. I see everything. I can see everything. I see everything. I see everything turning around. APC.
Me, Okpebholo one, now here we go. Pastor Israel Yamu is here, now here we go. Atu, now here we go. Asongwe, now here we go. Who remain? Who remain? Nobody. Now see how the road went up. What does Oshiomhole do? What is here now do? Now we don't bring somebody when to better pass us. When to perform pass us. People now see here, now see how Oshiomhole Baba Bonga for Isha. They do resemble me for Orhiomwon. Pastor Israel Yamu, Asongwe, Eristo, Atu, Saturday, Billy, woman, national woman leader. All of us are here today. Who remain? Make them not fear. On our trust us now. I shall not know us. We don't have failure now. After coming for Benin now, for it to help you, somebody will be rescue people. After come, he said, he come from Abuja. What did he do for Abuja? Maybe somebody told this. Maybe somebody do school. Somebody is there with our Pacomiza. Every one of us, however, we're there with our Pacomiza. Now, the thing now is that we don't boast because we know that they are our back. Say the area will go carry first. That is all. That is all. My people, I beat you now well. We don't come today. Now, not the reason why we come here. That to come tell you say September 21st, the digital candidate will bring come out and the deputy, the man, gentleman, very gentle, man, when you go talk something, you go do am.
For Abudu, the APC can welcome new members who promise to support the candidates for the upcoming election.
Yes, my name is Israel Awelode, and I stand to represent the Dicampees today. I want to start by saying this. When a glimpse of light starts radiating to every nook and corner of the community, the rational mind needs to be told that changes have begun. APC is a seed of change. We have tested it in Abudu, not only in the roads. Look at the primary schools. Look at all the areas where we have felt APC's impact. Because of this, all of the Dicampees, they made up their mind. They said, no, we are putting in for the APC. You and your group, you are welcome to my party. It is the special grace of God. Come September 24th, you and your group join us so that we get victory in Jesus' name.
The campaign trail also visited Wohai for Orhiomwon local government area and Okpebholo for Uhumwonde local government area, where show how APC they spread their message across the state. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Orhiomwon local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisali, TMC TV News.